Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about alternation of share capital and internal reconstruction. I am S. Arini, currently pursuing second year BCom CS batch 1922 from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Alternation of share capital. There are two types of alternation of share capital of a company. Alternation which do not require period approval of a court of law. Alternation which require period approval of a court of law. Alternation of share capital which does not require court approval. Increases the share capital by issue of new shares, consolidate all or a part of its existing shares of smaller dominations into shares of large amounts, subdivide all or a part of its existing shares of higher domination into shares of lesser amounts, convert all or any part of its fully paid up shares into stock and vice versa. Cancel the unissued share capital. Internal reconstruction or capital reduction. Reconstruction refers to recognition of the capital structure of a company. It might result in the reduction of claims of both the shareholders and creditors against the company. Reconstruction may be necessary for those companies whose financial position is bad. Such reconstruction can be external or internal. In external reconstruction, a new company is formed to take over the business of an existing company, which will be liquidated. In internal reconstruction, the capital of a company is recognized to enable it to make a fresh beginning after eliminating accumulated losses. Generally, internal reconstruction is preferred by companies over external reconstruction due to the following reasons. Liquidation of the existing company and formation of new company involves a large number of legal formalities and are also expensive. Accumulated losses of the liquidating company cannot be set off against the profits of the newly formed company, though the shareholders may be the same. Thus, an important tax advantage is lost. The time span needed for external reconstruction is generally far more than that of the internal reconstruction. Procedure for reducing share capital. The articles of association of the company must permit reduction of share capital. If the article is silent, it may be altered through a special resolution to enable the company to reduce its share capital. In the general body meeting, a special resolution must be passed for reduction of share capital. Confirmation of the court for capital reduction must be obtained. The company has to prepare a specific scheme of capital reduction and apply to the court of an order of confirmation submitting the scheme. The court may make an order confirming the capital reduction on such terms and conditions as it thinks proper. The court usually ensures that the interest of creditors and minority shareholders are protected.